Why do heavy trucks make that psst air release sound when braking? It's not to grab attention or scare anyone. It's simply the air brake system doing its job. The principle is similar to a high-pressure air gun. When the engine is running, it drives an air compressor that continuously pumps compressed air into storage tanks. When the driver steps on the brake pedal, a valve opens and the high-pressure air rushes out of the tank, forcefully pushing the brake mechanism and slowing the wheels down. The harder you step on it, the more air pressure is delivered, and the stronger the braking force becomes. When you release the pedal, the valve closes and the used air is vented out. That's the psst sound you hear. What's even more impressive is the fail-safe spring brake system. If a leak occurs or the truck starts rolling out of control, the system automatically loses pressure and triggers a powerful spring that clamps the brakes, forcing